If you toss and turn all night and looking for a way to keep your sheets under the mattress while you're sleeping, then this product is for you. Gadget Junkie here. In this video, we're looking at these bed sheet holders that were sent over to me to showcase for you guys. I'm gonna pull you guys in, give you guys a closer look at these holders. Then I'm gonna take you to the bed and give you guys a quick install demo. If you're ready, let's go. All right, guys, so here's one complete sheet holder here. Obviously, you're gonna get 4 of them. So you're gonna get your base plate, 2 side panels, and a locking strap. The base plate here is labeled left and right, and the side panels are labeled left and right. So basically what you're gonna do is take the side panels, match it up with your corresponding side on your base plate there, make sure that the channel is facing outwards, and slide it into place. Super easy to install. They all install in seconds. So these here are universal fit. They're gonna fit from your twin all the way up to your California King. These here are a pretty rigid plastic for the sheet holder, and then for the locking strap here, these here are more flexible. So you got some cutouts here to make sure that the plastic doesn't stress out and break over time, and these here are going to go around and hold your sheet together. So I like to have the sheet holder on the foot side of my bed with both the fitted sheet and the top sheet underneath secured, so that when I'm tossing and turning, I'm not pulling my top sheet up over my feet. And then on the head side, you're obviously going to just have your fitted sheet. They're super easy to install. Simply put it underneath the mattress, put your sheets over the top of it, put the locking strap in, and they're ready to go. So if you guys are looking for a way to keep your sheets underneath the mattress while you're tossing and turning all night, I highly recommend these sheet holders here. I hope this helps.